Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Encanto, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad, a project developed by joint venture of Lansum and MK Realty. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you know, we are here on the actual land parcel, and let me show you, just behind me is the marketing office of this project, and on my right hand side is the land parcel where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start this video with the project overview. So the project has been constructed on total 5.7 acres of land parcel with 3 towers, with each tower of 4 basement ground plus 60 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Narsingi Nanakaramguda Service Road in Financial District, Hyderabad. Now let me show you the neighborhoods of the project, and this is that service road which I mentioned in the location, and this road will connect you towards ORR in just 2 minutes. KIMS Hospital is just 7 minutes away from the project. You can connect to Wipro Circle in 10 minutes. Mindspace in 15 minutes from the project, and even Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in 25 minutes from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and Encanto provides you 3 lakh square feet of 50 plus world-class amenities with 90,000 square feet of clubhouse, social court, gymnasium, kids play area, floating cabanas, swimming pool, and many more. So even in this project, you'll be getting amenities on 59th and 60th floor. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, with 3 BHK starting from 4,055 to 4,170 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 4,955 to 5,045 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Encanto, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad, a project developed by joint venture of Lansum and MK Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.